Now the remaining questions are this exercise 2.6. Ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio of 5:7. 4 years now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Then find the present ages. You know, whenever we don't know something or whenever something is given in the form of ratio, we take it as a multiple of x. So what we will think? Let Hari's present age. Hari's present age is equal to 5x and Harry's present age is equal to 7x. Now after 4 years, what will be the ages? 4 years now, Harry's age is equal to 4 years now means after 4 years what happens? 5x plus 4 and Harry's age will be 7x plus 4. Now what is given in the question? After 4 years their ages will be in the ratio 3:4. So let us find out their ratio. What is given? Given 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 is equal to 3 upon 4. Now you know what to do. Cross multiply them. So 4 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. Let us open the bracket. What do you get? 4 5s are 20x plus 16 is equal to 7 3s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12. Take all the variables on one side. 20x minus 21x is equal to 12 minus 16. That is minus x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to 4. We got the value of x. What we are asked to find out? Their present age. What is Harry's present age? Harry's present age is 5x. That is 5 multiplied by 4. That is 20 years. And what is Harry's present age? Is 7x. That is 7 into 4. That is 28 years. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. So what we will think? Let us think that the denominator of a rational number greater than the numerator. So let us take the numerator. Let the numerator is equal to x and the denominator will be how much more? 8 more. So it will be x plus 8. Now, if the numerator is increased by 17, that is 17 more than numerator, means x plus 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. So 1 less than denominator. What will be 1 less than? X plus 8 minus 1, that is x plus 7. So if the numerator is x plus 17 and denominator is x plus 7, the number obtained is 3 by 2. So let us write the rational number. Numerator is x plus 17 and denominator is x plus 7. So what is given? Given if the numerator is x plus 17 and denominator is x plus 7, the number becomes 3 by 2. So let us cross multiply. 2 multiplied by x plus 17 is equal to 3 multiplied by x plus 7. So let us open the bracket and simplify it. You get 2x plus 34 is equal to 3x plus 21. So 2x minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 34. So minus x is equal to 13 minus 30. So x is equal to 30. So what you are asked to find out? Find the rational number. So if x is 13, what is x plus 8? 13 plus 8. 21. Therefore, the rational number is the numerator is 13, denominator 21. That's all for today. With this question, the chapter number 2 gets over. In the next class, we will start with a new lesson. Thank you.